Welcome to today's Psych with Sigmund, where we delve into the fascinating world of psychology and explore the intricacies of the human mind. The Stroop Effect is a fundamental concept in psychology that reveals the complex interactions between attention, perception, and cognition. In simple terms, it's a phenomenon where our brains struggle to process conflicting information, leading to delays in reaction times and decision-making. This effect was first discovered by John Ridley Stroop in 1935, and since then, it has been extensively studied and applied in various fields, including psychology, neuroscience, and education. To understand the Stroop effect, let's dive into its theoretical background. One of the key theories that explains this phenomenon is the concept of automaticity. Automaticity refers to the ability of our brains to perform tasks automatically without conscious awareness or intentional control. When we encounter familiar stimuli, such as words or colors, our brains quickly process them through automated pathways, allowing us to respond rapidly and efficiently. However, when these stimuli conflict with each other, our brains need to switch to a more controlled and deliberate mode of processing, which slows down our reaction times. Another important theory that contributes to our understanding of the Stroop effect is the idea of cognitive interference. Cognitive interference occurs when multiple sources of information compete for our attention, leading to a decrease in performance and an increase in errors. In the case of the Stroop effect, the conflicting information between the word and the color creates cognitive interference, making it harder for our brains to process and respond. One classic study published in 1997 by McLeod and McDonald demonstrated that the Stroop effect is not limited to colors and words, but can also occur with other types of stimuli, such as shapes and sounds. This study showed that the effect is a general phenomenon that reflects the fundamental processes of attention and perception. More recent research has used neuroimaging techniques, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, to investigate the neural basis of the Stroop effect. A study published in 2018 by Liu and colleagues found that the Stroop effect is associated with increased activity in brain regions involved in conflict monitoring, attention, and cognitive control, such as the anterior cingulate cortex and the prefrontal cortex. So, how can understanding the Stroop effect help us in our everyday lives? One practical application is in the field of education. By recognizing how the Stroop effect can impact learning, educators can design instructional materials that minimize conflicts between different types of stimuli, leading to improved learning outcomes and better retention. For example, using consistent color schemes and font styles can reduce cognitive interference and make it easier for students to focus on the material. In therapeutic contexts, understanding the Stroop effect can inform interventions aimed at improving cognitive control and reducing automatic negative thoughts, which are common in conditions like depression and anxiety. Cognitive behavioral therapy often involves techniques that help individuals override automatic negative thoughts and replace them with more balanced and constructive ones. By recognizing how the Stroop effect operates, therapists can develop more effective strategies to help their clients overcome these cognitive biases. To illustrate the Stroop effect in action, let's consider a real-life example. Imagine you're driving and you see a sign that says "Stop" in green letters. Your brain quickly recognizes the meaning of the word "stop," but it takes a little longer to register that the color is actually green, not red. This delay can be critical in situations where quick reactions are necessary. By understanding the Stroop effect, we can develop strategies to overcome this delay and improve our reaction times. In conclusion, the Stroop effect is more than just an interesting psychological phenomenon. It offers a window into the complex workings of our minds. By exploring how we process conflicting information, we gain insights into attention, perception, and the dynamic interplay between different cognitive processes. This knowledge can be applied in various aspects of life, from improving focus and learning strategies to developing more effective therapeutic approaches. Embracing this complexity can lead to a deeper understanding of ourselves and others, fostering empathy and appreciation for the intricate beauty of human cognition. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating topics in psychology. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.